Good afternoon, peeps. Here I am with a 722.6 automatic transmission Mercedes-Benz. Alright? This transmission came in the shop last week. Didn't have any time to put it. So here I am pulling this transmission today to verify what go inside, what happened inside here. Alright? Remember guys, 722.6 transmission Mercedes-Benz teardown. Alright? Set the camera up. Poor. Here is transmission pan. This transmission burn. Alright? Guys, look very carefully. This is the filter. What happened with this transmission, as you can see, the filter right inside where the filter should suck the oil, bend. Stifle, bend up. So the transmission starvation from fluid. Alright? So this is what causes the transmission to burn. See it here? Filter bend up right here. Right to the ear where it's supposed to suck. Bend up right here. So it causes the transmission to start from oil and burn oil clutches inside here. Okay? Okay. Remember guys, 722.6 Mercedes-Benz transmission teardown. Remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment down there for me, please and thanks. I really appreciate it. Sorry, alkaline cleaning about doing that. Yeah, I'm saying thing around here, it's light, man. Okay guys, this is the valve body. Alright? This is the valve body. Remove from the transmission. Okay? I guess you guys are saying that how I remove the valve body and I remove the sleeve. The sleeve already moved already. Let's show you the sleeve. This is it. Okay?